Hi guys, so this is my analysis on DXY. What am I expecting on DXY? I'm expecting a down move on DXY, but we can see right now that DXY is currently above this trend line right here. So I want to see when the market is open later on. I want to see how this close, because how that close will determine our next price action. If you close on a bullish direction right here, then there's a possibility that it has broken the trend line, that we might continue to push to the upside. But if it's weeks around that area, and we can see based on our previous price action that whenever we get to this trend line right here, we reject. We can see first touch, second touch, so this will determine if it's a weak rejection, then we might just continue to push to the downside. But if we see a close engulfing candle up here, then there's a possibility for us to push to the upside. And my first target would be around this area right here. That would be my first target if you're going to push to the upside, right? But I have a second target, which is also around this area right here, because that is an imbalance that needs to be filled. So we can see that's a weekly imbalance right here that needs to be filled. So I'm going to put that there for me to know. So right, if you're pushing to the upside, I'm expecting something like this, then we might not continue to push to the downside. Or if we are pushing, if we continue after this target, then we might get to this imbalance right here to fill in the imbalance before either we now continue to push to the downside, because overall I still think we're going to continue to push to the downside. So I want to use a fib around this area right here. So let's see a weekly fib. Okay, so I can say point A to point B right here. Oh, okay. You can see a point here. So you can see right now I drew a fib, so we can see that we might, like I said, we might reject off of the 50%, which is this level right here, or my 61.8% fib level, which is the imbalance that needs to be filled around that area. So we have to be a little bit mindful around that. So that is what we will be looking for. And if we continue to push to the downside, I'm expecting overall downside to my negative 27% fib level, which is around 95, if you're going to continue to push to the downside. So I'm predicting something like this, come here to this level right here and push to the downside, or we might from here push up a little bit more because of the imbalance, like I said, and push to the downside. So that is what my thought on the XY is. You just have to be more patient to see what we are working on, right? But let's see, that is what I'm seeing right now. The XY is a little bit chubby right now, so you can see I'm deleting this previous analysis right here, because as long as we are still above this trend line right here, it's an uptrend. But in case if we break this trend line, retest, then it might just continue to zoom to the downside. But I'm seeing a little bit more move to the upside around this area. So that is my quick thought on DXY, guys. Hope you find it insightful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.